Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the door handle on Smart ForFour. This is the door handle right there. The door handle is held by one bolt. Here you can see in my case the door handle is broken, so I'm going to have to replace it. The door handle is held by one bolt and it's here to the side. There's usually a plastic cover just on top, but in my case it's missing. This is the bolt that we need to remove, and then we can take out the door handle. That's the bolt removed. Now we can take out the door handle. Once we remove the door handle, there is a cable that we need to remove. In my case, that cable is broken, so I'm going to have to replace that. But you need to remove the cable and then take out the door handle. I'll show you a closer view. This is the cable that is broke on mine that I need to replace. That cable goes in there and it's broke on the top side. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.